Welcome to Math's Master Class. Today, we're diving into the factorization of quadratic expressions, specifically those with negative integers. If you've ever struggled with factorizing expressions like these, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll master it with ease. Let's get started. Example 1. Factorize 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Here the quadratic expression is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a equals 2, b equals minus 3, and c equals 1. Step 1. Multiply a and c. That is 2 times 1 equals 2. Step 2. Find the pair of factors of 2 that will add up to give the middle term minus 3x. The factors of 2 are just 1 and 2. Considering the negative sign, which of these will add up to give minus 3? Is it positive 1 and positive 2, minus 1 and positive 2, positive 1 and minus 2, or minus 1 and minus 2? Minus 1 and minus 2 will, and up to give minus 3, so the pair of factors is minus 1 and minus 2. Step 3. Replace the middle term with the selected factors. Step 4. Group the terms and take common factors. The factorized form is this. Example 2. Factorize 3x squared minus 10x plus 3. A equals 3, b equals minus 10, and c equals 3. Multiply a and c. That is 3 times 3 equals 9. Find the pair of factors of 9 that will add up to give minus 10, which is the coefficient of the middle term. Factors of 9 are 1 and 9, 3 and 3. 1 and 9 will add up to give 10. But we have minus 10. What form of 1 and 9 will add up to give minus 10? We have 1 and 9, minus 1 and 9, 1 and minus 9, minus 1 and minus 9. Minus 1 and minus 9 will add up to give minus 10. So we replace minus 10x with the selected factors. Instead of writing minus 1x, we write minus x. This is because minus 1 times x is minus x. Next, group the terms and factorize. Take common factors. The factorized form is this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new maths lesson. Also, share this video with your friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.